In this video, I'll show you how to buy TON with USDT directly inside the TonKeeper wallet, step by step. First, open the TonKeeper app and unlock your wallet. Make sure you already have USDT on the TON network in your wallet, because that's the balance you'll use for the swap. On the main screen, check that both USDT and TON tokens are visible in your wallet. Next, tap the Swap or Exchange button in TonKeeper. This feature lets you convert one token to another using decentralized exchanges connected to the TON blockchain. Now choose USDT as the token you want to swap from, and select TON as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. TonKeeper will automatically show the estimated amount of TON you'll receive and the network fee for the transaction. After that, review the swap details carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Swap or Confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is completed on the TON network, the TON coins will appear in your TonKeeper balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.